to recover your Binance password. So first, open any web browser you have available and then search for Binance here. And the first link that pops up, you can tap on it to enter the login page. Once you get to your login page, if you haven't signed up, you can sign up from here, but if you already have an account, tap on login. And once you enter this, tap on your email and enter your email, then go next and tap on forget password. So you have to make sure, in order to protect your account, withdrawals, selling and payment services might be disabled for 24 hours after you change your password. So if you want to make any transactions after 24 hours of your password change, then you won't be able to do that. Just hit continue. This will take you to a new page where you can enter your email verification. So let me just check my email real quick. So if I open my Gmail, here I can find the reset password link. So I just copy and paste it here. And now you can enter your new password that fills out all these criteria. So you have to make sure you enter password that completes these criteria and confirm your password. Just hit and confirm, and that's how you can easily change your Binance password. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.